Sarah updated her LinkedIn bio on a Tuesday afternoon. Spent about 60 seconds copy-pasting her job history into ChatGPT, hit enter, and walked away with a bio that actually sounded like a person wrote it, not a resume. She got a recruiter message 4 days later. The prompt she used is the one we're covering right now, and you can have it in the next 2 minutes. Most LinkedIn bios read like a job description someone wrote while tired. Results-driven professional with 8+ years of experience in, and by word 3, everyone's already scrolled past. The problem isn't you. Nobody teaches you how to write about yourself. It feels weird, it feels braggy, and when you sit down to do it, your brain just goes blank. Here's what's actually happening. Your bio is trying to describe what you do when it should be showing people why they'd want to work with you. Those are completely different things. A bio that works tells a small story. It names who you help, what you actually do for them, and gives some sense of your personality. 3 things. That's the whole formula. And ChatGPT, the free version works perfectly fine for this, can pull all 3 of those things out of you in about a minute, even if you have 0 writing experience. You just have to give it the right ingredients. Open ChatGPT, paste this in, and actually fill in the blanks with your real information before you send it. I need help rewriting my LinkedIn bio. Here's my background. Paste your current bio or just list your job titles and what you do. My target audience is who you want to attract: recruiters, clients, collaborators. The tone I want is pick 1 or 2. Professional, warm, confident, conversational, approachable. Keep it under 220 words and write it in first person. That's the whole prompt. Send it. What comes back is usually pretty solid on the first try, and if it's not quite right, just reply with "make it sound less formal" or "add something about my background in healthcare" or whatever's missing. ChatGPT treats it like a conversation, so you're not starting over. You're just steering. One thing worth knowing, first person means it says, "I help teams," instead of "Sarah helps teams." LinkedIn bios almost always read better in first person. If ChatGPT forgets that, just ask it to fix it. And if this kind of practical AI stuff is what you're after, Stack Future posts one of these every day. Subscribe so you don't miss them. Here's where most people stop too early. They take the first draft, paste it into LinkedIn, and leave. And it's fine, but it's not quite theirs yet. Spend 2 more minutes on this part. Read the bio out loud. If anything sounds stiff or weird, go back to ChatGPT and say, "This sentence doesn't sound like me. Make it more casual, direct, warm." You can do this for individual sentences. Also, look for anything vague. Phrases like "passionate about driving results" mean nothing to anyone. Ask ChatGPT to replace them with something specific. A real thing you've done, a real type of person you help. The goal isn't a perfect bio written entirely by AI. The goal is a solid first draft that you shape into something real. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You bring the details that make it true. Takes maybe 5 minutes total. Your bio ends up sounding like a human being wrote it on a good day. The big thing here, give ChatGPT the right inputs and it stops being a guessing game. Garbage in, garbage out, but specific in, genuinely useful out. Your LinkedIn bio is often the first impression a recruiter or client gets. It's worth 5 minutes of actual attention. And now you have a way to do that without staring at a blank page. Tomorrow we're getting into something really useful. 5 ChatGPT tricks that make your writing sound like you and not a robot. That one's going to be good. If this helped, hit the like button. It actually makes a difference for a channel this size.